This is Wolfenmaus, or MetalTheMaker on YouTube, and this is what the animals see. Anonymous. Ooh, scary. Ever notice how in scary movies, animals can sense spirits that humans can't? Ever notice that spirits are supposed to move incredibly fast? Scientists say dogs, and some other animals, can't watch TV because their eyes are more efficient than ours. And all they see on the TV is one picture, or just static. Basically, videos are just made up of pictures running at a high rate of speed, right? It would be like if I sped a video up 100 times. All you would see is static, right? Same with dogs. Now, what if spirits aren't transparent? They're completely visible, but they move too fast for us to see. That might explain why animals see them and we can't. That will explain the shadows you sometimes see at the corner of your eyes. Or what your pet is staring at right now. I guess we will never know. Will we?